Installing Excel Connector 365. To install Excel Connector 365, you'll need to go to the Home section of your Excel. There, simply click the Add-ins icon and then More Add-ins. This will take you to the Microsoft Store, where you can search for Excel Connector 365 in the search bar. Once you find it, click Add next to the name of the connector. You'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. After that, you'll see the connector in your Excel ribbon a few seconds after. You can now access amazing data loading capabilities, automate your reports and data operations, and transform your data in the familiar Excel environment. Start experiencing the best data management tool for your organization. Watch all Excel Connector 365 tutorial videos to unlock the full potential of your data management.